Good morning my lovelies. I'm here with a quick tutorial for you today, and it's to show you how very easy it is to do one of my favourite cast-ons, which is called the wrap cast-on method. Alright, so here we go. So if you just start with your needles crossed like this, left needle in front, right needle behind, yarn behind both needles, and then you just bring your working part of yarn across, wrap it round both needles, and then just wrap it round the back needle. Bring it through, you have a stitch, okay? And then I want you to wrap again round one, wrap again round the back, pull it through. You've now got 2 stitches on this right hand needle. What you're going to do is slip the first stitch over the second stitch, pull it a bit snug, don't pull it too tight, and then we're ready to go again. So we'll wrap around both needles, wrap round the back needle, pull it through to make a stitch, okay, and then we're just slipping the first stitch over the second. Okay, so we'll go again for you. So you're always starting from the right hand side, wrap towards the front, back round the back on both needles. Again on the back needle, pull it through the loop you've made to make a stitch, slip the first stitch over the second. Okay, and you keep going until you've got the amount of cast on stitches that you need. So I'll just do it a little bit more quickly for you. So wrap round both, wrap round the back, pull it through, pull 1 stitch over, wrap round both, wrap round the back, pull it through, slip that stitch over. Okay, and if you can see here, it's giving such a lovely braided edge. It's stretchy, but it's sturdy. It stops your hem or whatever, you know, your neckline just stretching out of shape too much. And it really is my favourite cast on. I use it whenever I can, whenever it's suitable. And if you look on the back, you've got your same lovely braid, so you get the same front and back, and I just think it is so beautiful, and it gives such a lovely neat edge as well. So yeah, that's it really in a nutshell. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.